there when Dr. Gangley heard about his award, and I will say he is probably one of the most humble people that I have met. So thank you for all you do. It is wonderful recognition. Our next award recipient is Dr. Imtiaz Patel from Hematology Oncology. So Dr. Patel, would you join us? And Dr. Patel will be introduced by Robin Anderson-Malico. So Robin, if you would join us.
Good afternoon, everyone. I have had the pleasure of working with Dr. Patel for well over 10 years before either of us had any gray hair, right? Throughout the time, I've watched him grow as a professional, not only his clinical skills, but in his interactions with patients and his compassion and kindness. But what has always impressed me in all the time I've worked with him is his respect for people from all disciplines and willingness to seek out the opinion of nurses, social workers, housekeepers. Doesn't matter. If he doesn't know the answer, he goes to the person who has it. And one of the examples that came to mind when I was thinking about this award was a veteran, probably about a year ago, a gentleman with widely metastatic cancer who had been at home. His pain was uncontrolled, and he really wasn't able to manage anymore at home. There was no support, but really was unwilling to come into the hospital. And Dr. Patel was really concerned about the patient, knew that there was really no more chemotherapy to offer. He could have called another physician to come in and help out. He could have done many things, but instead he called me. Asked me to bring the social worker with me, and the three of us sat with the patient. Dr. Patel was really clear communicating how much respect he had for the entire team. And we were able to convince the patient to come onto our inpatient hospice unit, where he thrived for quite a while and then died comfortably and peacefully on the unit. And I think that was largely due to the fact that Dr. Patel was able to collaborate with his peers and establish such a wonderful relationship with the patient. We've had our arguments over the years and tug of wars about treatment for patients, but he's always shown infinite respect for everybody, patients and veterans, and he's just a great asset to the facility.
Thank you, Robin, for such a nice introduction. Thank you, Dr. Patel, for such an award. I accept this award with a great honor. I thank you for nominating me for this award. I thank all of you for taking time out of your busy schedule and to be here for such a great event. I have been here for the last 12 years, and I joined this hospital right after my fellowship. I grew here. I appreciate the opportunity to work here and get to know the veteran patients who inspires me every day. This award would not have been possible without the support of my dedicated hematology and oncology division. Thank you, Denise, Gifty, our MAs, Maritza, and Patricia. And thank you, Dr. Sanchez, for such great leadership in our subspecialty clinic. As a hematologist-oncologist, I'm committed to devote myself to the best care of my patients and develop high-quality clinical care here at the Bronx Village. I thank you again and enjoy the rest of the day.